Hi, today we'll see how to clean a computer screen. First, let's see what not to do to clean a screen. So do not use any alcohol or ammonia-based liquids to clean your screen because they can damage it. Also, do not use any normal fabric or napkins because they can leave scratches on the screen. Instead, you should use a microfiber cloth that won't leave any scratches. You can use some distilled water, put it on the cloth, and then with long and slow movements, clean the screen of any dirt. But if you plan to clean your screens regularly, I would advise you to buy a special screen cleaning product. Just like the products that you would use to clean glasses, it will evaporate, and so you won't have any traces of water on the screen once everything is dry. To use it, it's really simple. Just spray it on the cloth and then clean the screen with it. There will be a link in the description, and if you go through there, you can also help the channel with no extra cost to you, so it will be really appreciated. I hope this video was useful to you. If that's the case, please like, and I will see you in the next one.